toy, and when you play with it makes you go and you can think of stuff. What you can go make a video and just show this toy, and then the toy is so great that it can climb on the wall, and there's like a couple of these, not just this one. I got this one. And it comes in a package.
Okay, and show how it works over here on the window.
And it can climb on the ceiling too. It has to be on it has to be on a good
surface.
It has to be on a good surface, and you gotta make sure it goes on to the next foot. So it can go fast and it can go slow. But this is the first toy I ever got of these. And these, even it can stick to itself.
Oh.
A little bit. And it can stick to you, but not for a long time.
Okay.